today is today is a Thursday. This is my first vlog of the week. Yo guys, I am so exhausted. As I said, we are doing the renovation, some little renovation, but I didn't know they're gonna take this long. I'm so over this thing. But anyway, today is a Thursday, so I did my nails again. This color that I am practicing. It's a morning. What time is it? It's 9:25. And the weather is gloomy. But anyway, tomorrow we're going on short left, doing some short left, but weather it's not improving at all. But so basathini sekunjalo we have booked, and also I think to be out of this house for a minute, like it's gonna be okay for our mental especially for my mental situation, because I am so over this what is going on here. I am so like so anyway, I'm gonna dipeka easy. I like this. I love these bottles. So further up, I'll put my biscuits, my ginger biscuits. So I said this weather September. This September is not happening at all. Whoa. Guys, I think this is but I want this thing to be over. The weather and do, because at the end of the day we cannot control the weather. We cannot, the things that we cannot control, especially weather. Then here I'm gonna put and also I'm gonna pack for tomorrow. I've already started taking out things that I think I'm gonna need for this weekend away. We're gonna go. Friday, which is tomorrow, and coming back on Monday. We're going for the long weekend. This time around. Last time, there's the Zagaku function. Okay. I'm refilling the cornflakes. Cornflakes. Good afternoon. I'm still packing. I'm packing one by one. I'm done with my toiletries, which I forgot the face wash, which is I'm gonna put it back. Gomso face wash because I sebenzisa. So for the makeup, I don't know whether I'm gonna put makeup tomorrow. I'll use this. makeup. And then and so we're gonna stay for 3 days, so I wanna pack minimum. And then this eyeshadow palette, and then this blush again with E highlighter yakwa Revolution. And then you all know those things, guys. Eyeliner, because Zopata lipstick. I want this lipstick. That's one which I before I go pick and pay. Sorry, not pick and pay. Who clicks playground? I like it. The Bensano Vula, the Itanda. And then I think I'm gonna Patilina Nayo. Got it from Smudge. I haven't put it on. And then the pate is into the eyebrows. My eyebrow. My to be glue. To got to be. What? Got to be. And then eyebrushes, glue, and then smudge again for E eyebrow mascara, and then my eyebrow lash. My eyebrow lash, for the lashes. Okay, and then my okay, I think this is a little toothpick, guys. I took this container for the toothpick, and then I faka because I bought this something similar. I bought this thing. I bought this thing at Shein. This thing and this thing, isn't this the same thing? It's for eyelashes. It's an eyelashes container. A pumana lento with your thingy, but I don't use it. And this, the plate. I don't know what's the plate for. But anyway, Nanda zenzele yam. Ibi toothpick leduka lena. So yeah. Yumly. So my lash container. Nekuthi pop up ungathengi yonke into. Don't buy everything. Ikhona izinto that you can buy, ikhona izinto that you cannot buy. I think I'm done. I am done. And then the brushes for my hair. I'm gonna for the weave. I need this. I need this, and the tweezers. So this is why I decided to take this lipstick from Woolies as Pixie Pink. Very nice. They tanda from Woolies. Decided to pack it. This one pink and this, and of course the lip gloss. And the lip gloss. So many colors is two. Many color one because I decided to let it's too dark for my liking. I don't like it, but then I love it. I love it, this one. And it's so smooth, good lips. And this one, I'll put it here. I think it's actually. And then brushes, I'll pack my brushes zodwa ecaleni. I'll pack my ecaleni. And also the eyeliner, I forgot about it. Eyeliner. Good afternoon. Today is a Friday and we are on our way to our holiday destination. Time now is 11:45. We are on our way there. Oh guys, I'm here but anyway, and call up. We're gonna start at Spa to buy some drinks. It's a 4 to 5 hour drive. It's not a long drive. And then after Spa, we're gonna go to upstairs to fetch our order because we've ordered burgers. We're gonna eat in the road. So come with me. I bought those hair from Shein, Sana, and they are giving. Okay. They are giving. We went back home because there was we had to come back home, and also I forgot to pack my glasses because the weather was saying, the weather focus was saying it's gonna be raining today, so I didn't bring any sunglasses. But now also my son he had headphones right. They're not working, so my husband came back to fetch his headphones. You know, when you're saying when you're with the family and this happened and that happened, but anyway, also we're gonna go at Spa to grab some drinks and snacks. Then we go to stairs, grab our order, then hit the road. Nyan this time. I'm at Spa. Just got our orders from stairs. Yeah, we are on our way now to our destination. Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say
This is a heritage building. We didn't do anything to it. In the way it's there, convert the structure into the living structure into apartments. As you can see, this is pretty neat. Different apartments. That's pretty neat. They left the building as it is. So in. This is a nice dining table. It's a nice. And then on my left, this is the lounge. Okay, I don't want to switch. Switch up. I think this is a switch. Yeah, let me do this again. So this is the lounge with the TV. And then when we walk through the passage, this is the first bedroom, which is the kids' bedroom. It's nice. Twin beds. And then we're coming out, the painting. And then this is gonna be our room. We're sharing the bathroom though. We don't have an ensuite, which is fine, I don't mind. It's just me and the kids. Oh, okay, this is another door. Guys, yay. And that's, and then this is the kitchen. Got the kitchen. It's good. Kitchen with your drawers. And then Bunny, they've got the dryer. And then washing machine, and then the kitchen cupboard, plates and everything, coffee, tea, sugar. Yeah. Going to the bathroom now. And this is the bathroom. This is the super cool. This is super cool. This is kind of cute. This is kind of low-key cute. This is a low-key cute. I like the tub. You can soak in there. And it has a high ceiling. And the bathroom. Yep. This is shower head, nothing special, just a shower. Though this is a high elephants, like you've been
really?
here. Yes. Now we're seeing a peacock.
Look too pretty now.
I like it.
Hi guys, so we went and bought pizza. The pizza place there nearby. Look at this. Let's guys, into enzima now ukuza ne content.
Very different.
Good morning, good morning. Hello guys, today is a Saturday. Welcome with my voice. Jonga, Ulala. I just woke up, coffee, I'm going to the lounge. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're taking things one step at a time. I like this. Look at this. There's a sea view kolacala, but ayibonakali kuba it's gloomy and it's yeah gloomy ingathi kuzawunetha, and also there's a construction going on here. Kulungiswa they benza istrata, so where's the paving up, so they are using this part, but yeah, there's nothing we can do about it. I-renovation renovate kuzokwazi uba kube kuhle. I'm sure barenovatela for December, because we all know that tourists and people will come to this time. We are at Mosselbay. It's a Mosselbay, a small town. 4 hour drive from Cape Town. 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. 5 hour drive from Cape Town to Mosselbay. It's a beautiful town. And I think so because the sun iyabonakala le town, but during a festive it's gonna be nice. And what I like is that it beach is a walking distance. Everything is a walking distance. It's like those summer holiday destination. And it's our first time coming here. Yes, we've been here passing by, see, but we never stayed. So it's our first time staying, and it's nice. And I like where we at. Like, I like it. And the Tuesday in the because you know what's going on with water. At least we're far away from the beach. You're up there, but it's from here. It's a 5 minutes walk to the beach, or less, depending which route you took. 5 minutes, everything is, it's a 5 minutes walk going to the restaurant. There's a restaurant up the side, it's a walk. There's also another restaurant down there, it's a walk. If you time to walk. And I'm sure in summer, then when there's lights and everything is going on, it's beautiful to walk, and it's summer. But even today, it's a warm day. It's a warm day compared to, even in Cape Town, big gown, the teeny, but I can walk like this. Okay. Molweni. Welcome to my vlog, guys. I love my earrings. Okay, it's the second day of our holiday. We at Mosselbay, but the weather is not giving us any chance. But anyway, we are on holiday mode. Doesn't matter. And that's eyelashes what they doing. Anyway, I see collabo industry type. We are on holiday, away from home. Excuse me. No matter the weather is not giving us any chance, we're gonna make. Excuse me. we're gonna have fun, you know. So see, are going to the mall. Since it's raining, we're going to the mall, and also we see Jonga around about what's going on. There's a cafe somewhere, and then maybe we can do sightseeing. Since it's raining, we can do sightseeing. There's also, I think there's also a nice park here. There's a nice park. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on here at the club here. But anyway, nonetheless, it's raining. As you can see, it's raining this spring, but at the end of the day, we wanted to be away from home because of that's the reasons why there's a construction going on, those little things. But you know, but yeah, a mall. I don't know, from a mall there we're going to the mall buying. My husband needs some stuff, some sweaters. We're gonna see what we can get from the mall, and then maybe we might have, I don't know, we'll see from the mall, and then from the mall we'll see what we're gonna do. Maybe say we cafe for coffee, because the minute I'm planning is screaming coffee and chocolate or hot chocolate cake, you know, is screaming that. And then after that, maybe we buy something to eat and then we'll go back to the house, because we might go to the beach. Yeah, we might go look to the beach front. Go look, have a drive by the beach. So yeah, let me then bonus about a good net app. When we get to the mall, I'm not gonna show you guys because I can't do a mall. Shopping is not. I don't think I'm gonna visualize. But if we go to a cafe, I think I'll do a sit in, and I'll take you with, depending. Oba see because a coffee shop that I was told by, there's a coffee shop nearby, but it's a walk away, and also there's the beach. From where we are staying, it's 5 minutes away. It's a walk away. If we could have walked to the beach wearing our swimming costumes and walk there, but the weather doesn't give us any chance. But I can't like it. Oh, food lovers. See it in food lovers.
Oh, it's already. When you were range,
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Breakfast in. As you can see. And the coffee.
Good call to my hands.
Ndiyayazi kaloku ngafuna udipha inside.
But I did.
You know what? We didn't know that we need this kind of holiday. We thought we needed a holiday. I don't even know. I don't even want to know about Fikile Ole. I don't know.
How to my message for 9, so I said he's been there since 8.
Oh.
Wait,
But okay.
there's no drink.
There's a drink. You might use a juice.
They didn't bring
Oh.
any drink.
Bring the juice. You can bring the juice. I'll bring glasses.
Yeah, bring the glasses, yeah.
I'm bringing the juice. I'm bringing.
I'm in bed. I just washed and just started to pack since it's raining outside. It's windy. I think we're gonna be indoors today. We are not going anywhere. Go by wow outside. It's nope. Even I don't care. No, I'm a tourist today. Sometimes I am in bed. My husband is watching soccer. My kids are next door. Yes, they watch. I'm sure they're doing their own thing, listening to music, and then watching maybe Netflix or something like that. Oh, yeah, banda. I am wearing my I'm wearing my PJs underneath and then the top. I'll show you outside. many restaurants are closed due of it's a holiday today. It's a heritage, and so a small town Tina called Mosselbay. The restaurant is means Zivalile, and also Zivalile because we're close to coastal, like we're close to the beach, like so Zivalile because of high tide. Is near restaurant Zivalile because there's wind and it's raining and there's wind and there's high tide. You know? So to keep people safe, they had to close the restaurants, which makes sense. Now we had a very nice day spending it here at home for now. I'll call it home. For now, it was nice spending time, like because outside I can't really say the weather outside is miserable. There's nothing, you know, and I don't want to go to the mall. And I wasn't so I'd rather stay here, and also it's cold, as my husband said. It's cold. So we spend the whole day, and it was nice. We needed this because, and at home, as I was saying, at home we are doing minor renovation. You know when you're doing renovations, there's too many people that have. I'm sensitive to energy. And also when you're doing msebenzi, you can't clean. I cannot stay in the I can't even make my bed because of we are doing the flooring, aluminium, and then the flooring on my son's room. We are painting the walls, we are painting the staircase. So I call, let's get out of this home, because I will never spend a long weekend in I was gonna lose my mind. And my husband was saying, yeah, I've made a good call on that, because being a Solunga, it's about miserable. It's about on top of one another. I can't do this on and depending on the weather, we can't even say we're gonna go out and spend the day outside our home and then come back later. Because the weather is miserable. That means you need to be indoors. But on Friday, when we left Cape Town, the weather was beautiful. But I knew that Kule weekend is gonna have a storm. I didn't know about Nalapa, it's about a storm. I don't know what's going on in Cape Town, but in Cape Town was saying the weather's we're gonna have a thunderstorm, lightning. At least we don't have that. It is raining and it's very windy. And since we're close to the beach, like it's a 5 minutes. It's like if you blend our school, there's the one you can see. It's the water is like But anyway, tomorrow we're heading back home. I'm hoping that Gom, so at least if it goes on if it's gonna rain, it's later, so it's because I think we're gonna check out around about 10, 11, and then we go eat some breakfast somewhere. I'm sure so I can breakfast of us, because since tomorrow it's a holiday, we don't know what's gonna happen. So when I eat breakfast tomorrow, then heading back home. Hopefully, guys. I know sales are fine but I might have I don't know if it's gonna take this. I didn't know result. I didn't have a big. When you think into like, it's a small thing, painting here and there, doing this and that is gonna be 1, 2, 1, 2. But the construction is not like that. It is not like that. And the weather, it was not helping, because i-staircase needs i-weather. You need a weather. When you're gonna put paint inside, you need your weather entry. You need weather nganethi so that you can leave your windows open. Izokhawuleza yome. Xa injena iweather akukhawulezi yoma, ikhawulezi yoma ipaint. But we're hoping by the time we get there, because it's still sesashiya, because sisithi at least makazipaint izitekies so that xa sifike zigqityile, yabo. If it makes sense, because we're using that using stairs, going to the kitchen is going up the stairs, it's going to watch TV, yoga, we need them. We need the stairs. So I call it, excuse me, no, we don't need the stairs, we need to use the stairs. So I'm praying that by the time sifika sizomile staircase, because uqalwe namhlanje ubhengu khangaye izolo, because Friday khangangene, simke Friday ingakhangangene because bene-personal and then izolo we called him and was trying to check if he was apparently he didn't go yesterday because he was sick. Today we was only like the paintile papi. I don't know, can book. I don't know. Guys, I'm so over these things. And also he was done with my son's room. At least by the time sifike ngasika ngqibile sizobuyisela izinto ziye kuba lapha epasejini, sizobuyisela bed, go back bed yakhe, headboard zonke kuke kube, but we'll see. Bye. We leaving.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember.
Today's the Monday,
All I know, what
public
I
holiday,
need, that ain't changing.
and
If I could lay down beside you, I would.
we're heading back home. We're heading back to Cape Town.
That's all I want to. I'll that
Pouring.
you are safe and
It is pouring.
that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside
It is
you,
pouring.
I would.
We didn't have time to sit down and
If I
eat.
can lay
We only
down
ate and we had breakfast.
I would.
It was the leftovers, and then we went and bought takeaway. We just eating bowl of yam. Back to Cape Town, and the weather, yo. I'm praying basically indlela enhle, and the rumor has it uba indlela some entries zivaliwe because of the damages that happened over the weekend because of water. So I don't know which route we're gonna take to back home, but we will see. I think how bad is this? Yeah, that's how bad it is. So we'll talk later if I'm gonna vlog, or I'll vlog when we get home. Sorry, I will vlog when we get home in Cape Town in few hours time. For now, bye bye. See you later. Making
Scala price is a store.
of course,
The place is special.
of course.
Connected it. Okay, connected.
What about me? What about you? What about love? What about trust? What about this?
Really wish I could.
Tell me what is your mind?
Yes, I was stuck inside there, yo. So Ben Sanjana, yo, Baba now stuck.
You know when I buy code, I'll tell you.
Many feelings, some I keep missing out.
Yeah, udlulile. Udlulile. Oh, guys. We are. We are stuck back. You see, we are stuck up. Hey, bethuna masicama gusheni masinqumeni naba. Masinqumeni sicama gusheni sithandazeni ngithuma. Siceleni. We are stuck on this side. supposed to go duka because of the waters.